Upon logging into your Snaptrude account, you'll find the Snaptrude Dashboard or homepage. The dashboard is divided into two main sections, the Personal Workspace and the Team space. Your Personal Workspace is where you'll find all the projects and folders you've created, as well as any templates you've designed. Next, we have the Shared with Me section. This is where all the projects shared with you by others are stored. Your level of access, either as a viewer or editor, determines whether you can open and view or edit these projects. Then we have the Team section. Here, you'll see all the teams you're a part of. To create a new team, simply click on the plus sign, enter the team name, and click Create. You can then add team members by entering their email IDs. For more details on creating and managing teams, please refer to our Teams section linked in this video. The main difference between the Team space and Personal Workspace is that in Teams, you can collaborate with team members, have centralized libraries, and shared templates and projects. To organize your projects, click on the Sort By button and sort them as needed. If you're looking for a specific project or folder, simply use the search bar to navigate directly to it. For any notifications, refer to the Notification button. Here, you'll be updated about any comments you're tagged in, any teams you've been added to, and other notifications. For account-related settings, visit the Account section. If you require assistance, click on the Help section. Or, if you need to speak to a technical consultant, you can message us directly from the chat button here.